Hey guys, welcome to the Learning English Today channel.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this channel is your go-to resource for mastering the English language. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Today, we're going to explore English vocabulary and example sentences related to kitchen utensils. Whether you're preparing meals in the kitchen, experimenting with new recipes, or equipping your culinary space, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the terminology associated with kitchen tools. Let's get started.
Knife. I used a sharp knife to slice the tomatoes for the salad. Fork. She used a fork to spear a piece of steak. Chopsticks. I prefer eating sushi with chopsticks. Cutting board. The chef placed the vegetables on the cutting board before dicing them. Mixing bowl. In a large mixing bowl, I whisked together the eggs and flour. Measuring cup. The recipe called for 1 cup of milk, so I used a measuring cup to pour the exact amount. Measuring spoons. I used measuring spoons to add precise amounts of spices to the dish. Whisk. He used a whisk to beat the eggs until they were frothy. Juicer. She used a juicer to extract fresh juice from the oranges. Food processor. The food processor made quick work of chopping the vegetables. Grater. I grated some cheese over the pasta for added flavor. Strainer. After boiling the pasta, I used a strainer to drain the water. Sieve. She passed the flour through a sieve to remove any lumps. Rolling pin. I rolled out the dough with a rolling pin to make thin crust pizza. Oven mitts. I put on oven mitts before removing the hot tray from the oven. Tongs. The chef used tongs to flip the steak on the grill. Ladle. She used a ladle to serve soup into bowls. Corkscrew. We needed a corkscrew to open the bottle of wine. Kitchen shears. I used kitchen shears to cut the herbs into small pieces. Thermometer. I inserted the meat thermometer into the roast to check its internal temperature. Grill rack. The chicken was placed on the grill rack to cook evenly. Roasting pan. The turkey was roasted in a large roasting pan. Muffin tin. She baked muffins in a muffin tin for breakfast. Saucepan. I heated the sauce in a saucepan before pouring it over the pasta. Stock pot. The stock pot was filled with water to cook the homemade soup. Skillet. I cooked the scrambled eggs in a non-stick skillet. Coffee grinder. He ground the coffee beans in a coffee grinder for a fresh cup of coffee. Kettle. I filled the kettle with water and put it on the stove to boil. Rice cooker. The rice cooker automatically cooked the rice to perfection. Steamer. She used a steamer to cook the vegetables without losing their nutrients. Dishcloth. I wiped the countertops with a damp dishcloth. Cake mold. I greased the cake mold before pouring in the batter. BBQ fork. He used a BBQ fork to turn the meat on the grill. Toaster. I toasted the bread in the toaster until it was golden brown. Plate. I served the pasta on a large white plate. Seasoning pot. I stored all my spices in a small seasoning pot for easy access. Kitchen scale. I weighed the ingredients using a kitchen scale for accurate measurements. Glass. I poured the orange juice into a glass and added some ice cubes. Cup. She sipped her tea from a delicate china cup. Mug. He sipped his hot cocoa from a festive mug adorned with snowflakes.
Congratulations! I hope you enjoyed learning these new vocabulary words. Please stay tuned for more videos on this account to continue expanding your word bank. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.